Hi everyone, so it's Friday and it's our last math session of the week, so let's make it a fabulous lesson to end all our super ones and round them off. So we're going to start by saying the names of the numbers that I pop up on the screen and we'll have a go at doing it together. There's some words in there as well. Let's get started. 5, 9, 3, 4, 7, 2, 0, 6, 10, 8, 1. Well done. Right, we've also been looking at ordinal numbers and popping numbers in the correct order from smallest to largest. So I have got 2 columns of numbers here. And because we've been doing this all week now in our fluency, I'm going to give you a little bit of time to work these out. So on the left-hand side, what I want you to do with these numbers is put them in order. So these are your 4 digits. Can you put them in the correct order for me that they go in? Starting with 0 here, and then smallest number first in the rest of them. And then here I want you to pop these numbers in the correct order. And then I also want you to identify which number is missing. So I'm going to give you a few minutes to have a go at doing that, and then I'll show you the answers on the next screen. Okay, I advise you to pause the video here because I'm going to move on to the answers now. So just pause it and then you can carry on working out the rest of the questions. Okay, if you've done it, then I'm going to move on to the next slide now and we can go through the answers. So just here underneath are the answers in red. So I've ordered these numbers here. These are the answers here and so forth. And then on the right hand side, I've got the missing numbers here that I've highlighted in blue as well. So double check that you've got those ones correct. Don't forget to send me it through so I can see how super you've been. Okay, so you might want to pause that again and check that these are correct as well. So moving on to our learning today, we're going to carry on with writing addition number sentences. And we were using this sentence here, this phrase here, to help scaffold our words that we were using when we were understanding this concept. So I'm going to go through that again with you now. So first we're going to identify how many red counters we have got. So let's count them together. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first, there are 6 red counters. Okay. Plus, how many yellow counters? How many more yellow counters have we got? Let's count them. 1, 2, and 3. So far we've got 6 red plus 3 yellow counters, and that is equal to, let's work out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is equal to 9. So this whole sentence, we can say that 6 red plus 3 yellow equals 9. Can you have a go at saying that with me? So 6 red plus 3 yellow equals 9. Well done. So I've got a different amount here and I want to do exactly the same. So just following those simple steps. So let's check first how many red counters there are. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red. So first we have got 5 red plus how many yellow counters? Can you count them? 2. Well done. So plus 2 yellow counters. And that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we can say that 5 red plus 2 yellow equals 7. Say that with me. 5 red plus 2 yellow equals 7. Well done. Now we're going to continue with what we started doing yesterday and moving this into writing our addition number sentences. So we're going to use this phrase and help us convert it. So let's start by identifying how many red counters we've got. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 red. Okay, so we've got 4 red counters. So first we have got 4. Plus, how many yellow counters have we got? 3. Well done. So we've got plus 3 yellow counters. And this is equal to how many? Can you count how many there are there for me, please? Fabulous. You should have got that equals 7. So I can pop here that equals 7. So let's say this one and see if it matches. So 4 red plus 3 yellow equals 7. Let's check. 4 red plus 3 yellow equals 7. Well done if you got that correct. So now I've got some more counters and I've just got the number sentence underneath. So I want you to help me use this representation to write this number sentence. So let's check first, how many red counters are there? So first there are 1, 2, 3. So we can say that first there are 3 red counters. Plus, how many yellow counters? Can you count them for me? Well done. So plus 5 yellow counters. So now, what is this equal to? What's the whole amount? Should we count them together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, everyone. So this now says that 3 red counters plus 5 yellow counters is equal to 8. Can you say that with me? So 3 red counters plus 5 yellow counters is equal to 8. Well done if you got that. Now I've got some number sentences and some representations, and I want you to look at these representations and write the number sentence underneath. Okay, I'll help you with the first one and then I want you to get going. So let's check first. First, the red part is 1 plus how many more yellow, and what is that equal to? So I'm going to give you some time now to have a go at answering these and writing them down. If you need to pause the video, just pause it here, okay? And then you can have a go at doing these activities. Okay, so pause it if you haven't still finished, and the rest I'm going to show you now how we work them out and what the answers are, so you can tick them as you go along. So here in this first equation, we've got 1 red part plus 4 yellow parts, and the whole equals 5. Okay, so 1 plus 4 equals 5. Let's have a look at this one underneath. So here we've got 3 red plus 3 yellow, and this is equal to 6. So well done if you got that correct. Here we've got 3 red again, plus 5 yellow, and that is equal to 8. And the last one, we've got 6 red plus 2 yellow, and that is equal to 8. So well done if you got those correct. Now it's your turn to have a little go at representing and finding what this equal amount is. Okay, so we're going to be needing 2 different coloured pencils. I'm going to stick with red and blue, but if you've got red and green or yellow and pink, I don't mind. If you haven't got coloured pencils, you could do a circle and a cross, so as long as it's 2 different shapes. Okay, so let's have a look. So my first part here, there are 3. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, plus 2. So now I'm going to add 2 more in my blue part. Okay, so first I've got 3 plus 2 more blue, and the equal amount is, let's count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great, so we can say this is equal to 5. So if I was going to say that number sentence, I'd say the first part is 3 plus 2 more, and this is equal to 5. Can you have a go at saying that with me? So first there are 3 plus 2 more, and this is equal to 5. Well done. Should we have a go at another one? So now I'm going to write another number sentence. We'll make it a bit more challenging. Okay. So first, this time I've got 6. So first I need to represent the 6. So I'm going to get my coloured pen out. So first there are 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Plus 3 more. Okay, so plus 3 blue. 1, 2, 3. And then this is equal to how many? Have a count. How many are there? Well done. So you should have said that that is equal to 9. Okay, I'm going to do one more and then I'm going to give you some more jobs to do. So my final one I think I'm going to do is one of the parts is going to have 4 in it and the other part is going to be 4 as well. Okay, so let's have a look. So in the first part, I have got 4, so I need to draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is my equal amount? So 4 plus 4 equals how many? Well done. If you're saying at the screen then that the equal amount is 8. So I can say that 4 plus 4 equals 8. Can you have a go at saying that? 4 plus 4 equals 8. Well done. Right, now I want you to use this learning. Okay, so these representations, these circles that I've drawn underneath, I want to see you have a go at doing at home. So these are my number sentences. Okay, my addition number sentences. So I've got my plus, my addition symbol here, and my equals symbol here. I want you now to have a go at writing this number sentence down and then drawing the different parts underneath. So first there are how many, plus how many more, and this is equal to what amount. Okay, so just like I've done here, I've drawn my counters underneath. I want you to have a go to represent these amounts. So I'm going to give you some time to do that for me now, please, on your pieces of paper. Fabulous. If you want to pause it there, pause it, okay, because I'm going to go through the answers again. So you should have drawn the representations underneath, okay? If you send me a picture of that so I can see it to our class email address, then I can check that those pictures are correct. But right now, I'm just going to show you what the answers are for the equals at the end of my number sentence. So here I've got, first there are 3 plus 1 more, and that is equal to 4. So well done if you got that correct and drew your visual representation underneath. Here I've got the first part is 4 plus 2 more, so the whole needs to be 6. First part is 1 plus 5 more, so this is equal to 6 as well. First there are 8 plus 1 more, and this is equal to 9. First there are 2 plus 7 more, and this is also equal to 9. So well done if you got those correct, because they were quite tricky, and those representations are quite tricky to draw as well to show that you've got that understanding. And finally, I want to get your brain busting. I want you to have a go at some fabulous, which is correct representations. So I've got some calculations down here. And I've also represented them with my dots, which is what we've been looking at today. And I want us to work out here which is correct. Okay, so we're going to have a look at reading these number sentences first. So this one says, first there are 3 plus 3 more, and what is this equal to? So we need to write the answer to that as well. So first there are 3 plus 3 more, and what is this equal to? So let's check. So first there are 3, so I'm going to say the red ones. So I've got 1, 2, 3 red ones there. Yeah, got 1, 2, 3 red ones there. Brilliant. So they're both right so far. Plus 3 more. So this means I need 3 blue counters now. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. So here we've got first there are 3 plus 3 more. That one's correct. Let's check this one. First there are 3 plus 2 more. So that one isn't correct. So here, this number sentence matches this representation because first there are 3 plus 3 more, and my whole here is how many? What's this equal to? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fabulous. So I can now say that first there are 3 plus 3 equals 6. Let's have a look at this one underneath them. So now first there are 6 plus 2 more, and this is equal to, right, so we need to find one that's got 6. So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neither of my parts here are 5, so I'm already thinking that this might not be correct. Check this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that one's got 6 first, plus 2. That one has got plus 2. This one has got 6 plus 2. So this one is correct because there are 6 plus 2. Whereas here we've got 5 plus 2. So that representation doesn't match. What is 6 plus 2 then? Have a little look. What's the answer to 6 plus 2? Can you count them? Well done. So you should have realised that that is 8. And the final one, right, 1 plus 4 equals, so first there's 1 plus 4 more, and that is equal to, which representation do you think shows this number sentence? Have a look. Fabulous. So you should have chosen this one here, because first there is 1 plus 4 more, and this is equal to 5. So well done if you got that correct. So I'm going to leave you now to have a little go at doing these. So this is my big challenge for you today, okay? So here's your number sentence. You need to work out what the equal amount is when you are adding these two numbers together, and you need to tick or circle which representation is correct. At home, what you can be doing is you can either be putting number 1 or number 2 to show me which one is correct there, okay, if you can't print them off. Don't forget to send them to me so I know how you've done, because this is my challenge, so I want to see your super learning. Good luck.